Sir, a very big topic of chapter 3. Examiner's favorite area. Why favorite? हम IMP मार्क कर लें इसको, आप वो आपके ऊपर है. But what is portfolio? What? Sir, portfolio is a combination of many things together. Sir, here are you talking about a modeling portfolio? No. Investment portfolio? No. We are talking about a business portfolio. A business portfolio, देखो लिखा है, top management views its product lines and businesses as a series of investments from which it expects returns. A set of techniques that will help strategists in taking decisions with regard to individual product or business in a firm's portfolio, used for competitive analysis and corporate planning in multi-product and multi-business firms. इसको पढ़ने और समझने के लिए we understood 3 topics: SBU, experience curve and PLC. SBU, a strategic business unit is a business unit which has got a common vision, separate mission, separate objective, separate planning, not linked with existing businesses. Yes or no? A unit of company that has separate mission and objectives and which can be planned independently from other company businesses. ये खास बात थी SBU word की. Experience curve. Sir, the competitive cost advantage which you generate by repetitive productive work. Catch line जो थी इसकी. The competitive cost advantage which you generate by repetitive productive work is experience curve. देखो लिखा था, concept is akin. Akin means similar, which explains the efficiency increased gained by workers through repetitive productive work. अब आप लिखो ये लाइन, आपको जल्दी समझ में आएगी अब. It will help in cost leadership. ये लाइन समझ में आती है? अब मैं बोलता हूं तो, experience curve will help in cost leadership. And then product life cycle, a useful concept for guiding strategic choices. Essentially product life cycle is an S-shaped curve. इस पर आर्ग्यूमेंट हुई थी, दिखता S कहीं से कहीं तक नहीं है पर मानना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि वो कर्सिव वाला S समझते हैं इसको, पता नहीं क्यों. An S-shaped curve which exhibits the relationship of sale and time. जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतेगा वैसे वैसे सेल बढ़ेगी. तो it goes through 4 stages: introductory, growth, maturity, decline. एक क्वेश्चन में अगर अभी पूछूं, मार्केट पेनिट्रेशन विल बी यूज्ड इन इंट्रोडक्टरी स्टेज, ग्रोथ स्टेज, और इज इट रेलेवेंट फॉर मैच्योर मार्केट्स? सर, इट इज रेलेवेंट फॉर मैच्योर एंड सैचुरेटेड मार्केट्स. करेक्ट? ओके, गुड. SBU, एक्सपीरियंस कर्व, PLC. करेक्ट? आज के लिए काफी है कि रुक जाएं कि चल जाएं? जैसे आप बोलो, बढ़ा दूं? एक मिनट, BCG मैट्रिक्स बचा है, आंसर इतना करा दूं क्या? BCG नहीं, टाइम पर इसको थोड़ा सा समय देना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. सो the recording will continue tomorrow in a different shirt, but you will be reading it as a single lecture. So, okay? Thank you. Hello friends. This is the second part of the recording, but you would be watching it continuously. The shirt has changed. I took a bath. कल के डिस्कशन को आगे कंटिन्यू करें. कल पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस पे बात हो गई थी. मल्टी प्रोडक्ट मल्टी बिजनेस कॉन्सेप्ट्स में पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस हेल्प करता है. वी कैन डिसाइड वेयर द फंड्स विल बी कंट्रीब्यूटेड एंड वेयर थिंग्स विल गो. क्लास टू सेटल डाउन नाउ प्लीज. सर 3 कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़े थे. एसबीयू, एक्सपीरियंस कर्व, पीएलसी, स्ट्रेटेजिक बिजनेस यूनिट, एक्सपीरियंस कर्व एंड प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल. प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल, ये 3 कॉन्सेप्ट्स यूज करके उन्होंने हमें पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस समझाने की कोशिश की. अब हम बात करने वाले पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस टूल्स की. ये 3 कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस के. अब हम सीख रहे हैं पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस टूल्स. फर्स्ट वन, बीसीजी मैट्रिक्स, बॉस्टन कंसल्टिंग ग्रुप की तरफ से. बॉस्टन कंसल्टिंग ग्रुप की तरफ से एक मैट्रिक्स दिया गया. उस मैट्रिक्स में उनका कहना था इट्स अ पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस टूल where you try to classify your businesses on the basis of 2 criteria: business growth या industry growth rate and your market share. This is what the industry does and this is what the firm does. Growth rate and share needs to be understood in terms of that your business will start in a industry which has got a high growth rate, but you are very small player, so you start from question mark. And if you work hard and increase your market share in a growing industry, you become a star. And from star, if the industry saturates, maturity phase aa jata hai, then if you are able to maintain your bigger share of the market, you become a cash cow. And you maintain that. Cash cow will generate cash which may be used to invest money in question marks as well as in stars. And cash cows need to remain cash cows by this arrow, just check of R&D. Correct? There were 4 choices given: build, hold, harvest and divest. Sir, build, invest more money. Hold, maintain the position. Harvest, sell some of the share or sell the business and generate good amount of cash flow without looking to the long term benefit. Abhi paisa mil jayega. And divest, without any option. There is a compulsion that you are not able to make money, so you have to close this. बिल्ड, होल्ड, हार्वेस्ट एंड डाइवेस्ट. एक सेंटेंस को मैं क्लास में बार बार डिस्कस करता हूं, अभी भी याद दिलाऊंगा. क्वेश्चन मार्क्स इफ लेफ्ट अनअटेंडेड आर केपेबल ऑफ बिकमिंग कैश ट्रैप्स. हेलो, करेक्ट? 2-3 बातें थी. बीसीजी मैट्रिक्स. एक चीज और होती है सर, इसकी यूटिलिटी क्या है? व्हाट इज द यूटिलिटी ऑफ बीसीजी मैट्रिक्स? इट हेल्प्स इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बिजनेसेस and it helps you to identify which businesses should be given money, which should not be given money, which businesses should be continued, which should be closed. So it helps you make decisions of strategic planning. Actual utility क्या है? Strategic planning के decision लेने में आपकी मदद करता है. बोलो साहब, clear? Sir, this was one matrix, Igor Ansof's matrix. That Ansoff matrix talks about how do you grow your business in your current सिचुएशन. मतलब एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस में आप पैसा कैसे बढ़ाते हो. वी नीड टू रिमेंबर 4 वर्ड्स: मार्केट पेनिट्रेशन, प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट, मार्केट डेवलपमेंट एंड डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. दिस इज अबाउट एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट इनटू एग्जिस्टिंग मार्केट. दिस इज अबाउट न्यू प्रोडक्ट इनटू एग्जिस्टिंग मार्केट. एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट इनटू न्यू मार्केट इज मार्केट डेवलपमेंट एंड डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. इस स्लाइड के वहां पे नोट करके रखिएगा. व्हेन टू डू दिस and how to achieve this should be remembered for all the 4. इस स्लाइड के वहां ये नोट करना बेटा. when to do this and how to achieve this should be very clear. क्लास में कल अपन बात कर रहे थे, मार्केट पेनिट्रेशन विल बी अबाउट making in mature market. In introductory phases you may do diversification. In growing phases you may try to do market development. साइकिल के हिसाब से आप देखोगे तो करेक्ट. देन द नेक्स्ट वन, मैं इस आंसर मैट्रिक्स पे बोलता भी हूं. कई बार वो क्या करेंगे क्वेश्चंस में आप लोगों के लिए, किसी एक इंडस्ट्री का एग्जांपल दे देंगे. ऐसा एक बार पास एग्जामिनेशन में क्वेश्चन में किया उन्होंने. देयर इज अ फार्मा कंपनी, व्हाट शुड इट डू to increase its sales? If any business comes up and question comes up says how to increase the sales, तो आपको बोलना पड़ेगा प्रेजेंट बिजनेस पे काम करने का एक ही टूल सीखा है आपने, Ansoff matrix. तो आप बोलो how to increase sales. Now in pharma you don't expect people to fall ill more. फार्मा की सेल तब नहीं बढ़ती, फार्मा की सेल तब बढ़ती जब वो रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट करके नई ड्रग्स बनाए। सो आपको वो इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक आंसर देना पड़ सकता है, तो उसके लिए एक बेसिक कॉमन सेंस होना चाहिए कि इंडस्ट्री में क्या चल रहा है। करेक्ट, एक तो ये चीज। नेक्स्ट, ADL matrix. Sir, ADL matrix was nothing but a combination of product life cycle and your overall position. Sir, position was defined in 5 categories: dominant, strong, favorable, tenable and weak. Dominant is as good as one another word of monopoly. Strong means something special, that is differentiation. F for favorable, F for focus. T for tenable, T for keep trying. W for weak and W for withdraw. आप इन 5 में से किसी एक पोजीशन पर होगे और जब आप मार्केट में एंट्री लोगे तो इंडस्ट्री इनमें से किसी एक पोजीशन पर होगी। तो कौन सी पोजीशन पे क्या बनता है, उसमें हमने 2-4 ट्रेंड्स ऑब्जर्व करे थे, अगर आपको याद हो तो। फाइंड नीश, होल्ड नीश, होते होते वो पूरा ऐसे डायगनली आया था। उसके बाद था टर्न अराउंड, तो टर्न अराउंड लगातार चला था। हेलो, और सबका एक एक वर्ड चल रहा था। तो डोमिनेंट और स्ट्रांग ने शुरू में डिफेंड, तो डोमिनेंट का काम डी फॉर डोमिनेंट, डी फॉर डिफेंड भी चला लगातार यहां तक। अच्छा, कॉस्ट लीडर बनने के लिए मास लेवल पे काम चाहिए या शॉर्ट स्मॉल लेवल पे चाहिए? तो मास तो ये दोनों ही कैप्चर कर सकते हो, और इनिशियल स्टेज पे होगा या थोड़ा ग्रो करने पर। सो कॉस्ट लीडरशिप वाला जो एक्सपीरियंस कर्व था वो यही था। हेलो, ऐसे मैंने कुछ पॉइंट्स बोले थे आपको कि आप उसको रिमेंबर कर लेंगे, तो यू शुड बी एबल टू कम अप विथ 15 और 20 वर्ड्स, देन इट बिकम्स अ ग्रेट आंसर टू सॉल्व। एग्जामिनर्स ने आज तक एडीएल मैट्रिक्स पूरा बनाने को नहीं बोला है, पर अगर आप एडीएल के स्ट्रक्चर को भी बना गए और बीच में 2-3 वर्ड्स भी लिख गए, सो यू आर एबल टू स्कोर मार्क्स ऑन दैट। तो याद रखना, यू नीड टू रिमेंबर द स्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ इट। ठीक है सर, जीई इलेक्ट्रिक मॉडल इज समथिंग स्पेशल और इज इट एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ बीसीजी? सर, डोंट यूज द वर्ड एक्सटेंशन, यूज द वर्ड डेवलपमेंट ओवर बीसीजी। Sir, it is a development over BCG. Sir, कैसे business position is taken rather than market share, और उस तरफ industry growth rate की जगह market attractiveness has been taken. The concept of 2x2 has been taken up to 3x3. लेकिन सर choices तो वैसे ही 4 हैं, सिर्फ 2 के नाम बदले। वहां थी build, hold, harvest, divest, और यहाँ पे invest, protect, harvest and divest। तो 4 में से 2 तो सेम ही है बेटा। हेलो, और उसमें भी प्रोटेक्ट सेंटर लाइन है, वो टिक टैक तो अगर आपको याद रहता है, क्रॉस एंड जीरो खेलते ना क्लास में अपन, तो उसमें सेंटर वाली लाइन है प्रोटेक्ट, एंड एनीथिंग अबव प्रोटेक्ट इज इन्वेस्ट एंड बिलो प्रोटेक्ट इज, सिर्फ ये याद रखना पड़ता है, डाइवेस्ट। इसमें एक पॉइंट मैंने नोट कराया था और आप भी यहां पे नोट करके रख लो स्लाइड के पास में। ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज स्टॉप लुक गो ट्रैफिक मॉडल, ऑल्सो नोन एज स्टॉप लुक गो ट्रैफिक लाइट मॉडल। स्टॉप लुक गो ट्रैफिक लाइट मॉडल, याद आया? ओके। जीई मैट्रिक्स, ये एक स्लाइड मैंने मेरी तरफ से रखी है सिर्फ एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग देने के लिए आपको कि जितने टॉपिक्स आपने पढ़े वो कौन सी पोजीशन पे कहां जाके यूज होते हैं। थोड़ा समझना इस चीज को, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से। सेंटर में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन खुद है और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की खुद की कंपनी स्ट्रेंथ होती है। ये क्या जब प्रिंट होगा ना ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में आपके लिए, तो उसमें कलर्स दिखेंगे नहीं आपको, बट फर्स्ट नंबर इसको दे दो आप। इधर देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, मैं बोल रहा हूं, आप नंबरिंग कर लेना बेटा इसको। फर्स्ट नंबर कंपनी स्ट्रेंथ को दे दो, सेकेंड नंबर बेटा इसको दे दो मार्केट्स को, थर्ड नंबर गिव टू 5 फोर्सेस, एंड फोर्थ नंबर गिव टू स्लेप फैक्टर्स। ये सिर्फ आपको एक इंटेंसिटी लेवल समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि सबसे पहले आपकी स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेस मैटर करती है, और वो स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेस सबसे पहले आपका कांटेक्ट होगा आपके इंटरनल मार्केट से जो आपके साथ डे टू डे फंक्शनिंग में इन्वॉल्व है। आपको याद होगा चैप्टर 1 में मैं बोलता था कॉम्पिटिटर्स आर अ पार्ट ऑफ योर इंटरनल एनवायरमेंट। तो आपने पहली बार वंडर किया था, वो तो बाहर के होते हैं, मैंने बोला था आई डोंट मीन बाय दैट इट इज इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आई ट्राई टू से by saying competitors as internal factor because they are actually affecting your day to day decision making. हेलो, वहां पे यही वाली चीज यहां पे भी हाईलाइट हो रही है. सर पहला, कंपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स, व्हाट हाउ गुड यू आर ऑन सम सर्टेन थिंग्स. सेकंड, व्हाट मार्केट्स वांट यू टू डू. थर्ड, राइवल्स, न्यू एंट्रेंट, सप्लायर, सब्स्टिट्यूट्स एंड बायर्स. ये आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी को मोल्ड करने का फंक्शन है. और इसके बाद सब पे यूनिवर्सल इंपैक्ट देने वाली चीज होती है स्लेप्ट. बट कहते हैं एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट आपको इंपैक्ट नहीं दे पाएगा अगर आपका कोर स्ट्रांग है. और अगर कोर वीक है तो कोर तो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेस भी आ जाता है पूरा का पूरा. तो ये चैप्टर 3 में एक एड ऑन में अपनी तरफ से स्लाइड इसलिए दी है कि आपको एक बार सबका रिलेटिव पोजीशन समझ में आ जाए कि हमको जितने टॉपिक्स पढ़ा है उनकी जमावट प्रेफरेंसेस में किधर किधर है. Am I clear about this? Please remember what I'm trying to say is this is just the positions. Don't try to mug up this chart. Don't ratify it. Just take it for reference. Okay? ठीक है. This closes our chapter 3. Chapter 4, strategic analysis. We try to answer these few questions. Where are we coming from? Where are we today? And where are we going in the future? When you try to answer these kind of questions, you are actually talking about strategic analysis. This picture is very relevant and I would request at any point of time, if in exam you get a question on strategic planning, answer to likhna hai, but along with that you can put this diagram. This is in your slide also. तो आप note करके रख लो. Can be used as a diagram to explain the concept of strategic planning. Can be used as a diagram to explain the concept of strategic planning. मिला? आगे बोलूं? So you wrote that you can write this for display. मतलब you can use this. So now we can run few slides faster. Why? This is very जाना पहचाना. Develop a vision, set your objectives, craft a strategy, implement it, monitor, evaluate and control the environment. Yes or no? Sir, this is all your proactive planning. And then whatever comes from the environment becomes this reactive planning, reactive action, sorry. Revised as needed in the light of actual performance, changing conditions, new opportunities and new ideas. ज़्यादा समय तो नहीं देना इस पे. सर, अब मैं SM प्रोसेस के कंपोनेंट्स को थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेता हूं. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज डेवलप अ PCMT focus, that is develop a vision. Set your objectives. Sir, objectives should come from the vision. An objective should be understandable या non understandable. Sir, no point. आप जो बोर्ड रूम में इंग्लिश बोलते हो, unless it is translated to workers' local language, nobody will understand anything. They flow from the mission and the ambition of the corporation. The purpose of setting objective is to convert the vision into specific performance. So the keyword to remember for is objectives are what? Objectives are specific performance targets. Hello? What are objectives? Sir, vision is future PCMT focus. Mission is present PCMT focus. Mission and strategic intent are different or same terms? Same terms. And specific performance targets are called objectives. Hello? Sir, then you have to craft a strategy. एक काम की लाइन थी. A strategy is at full power only when its many pieces are united. मतलब, sir, a strategy will achieve the best when all the departments will work together. और अब मैं ये लाइन बोल सकता हूं, sir, you will develop a good strategy and execute it well if all the components of value chain are working better. ये लाइन समझ में आती है? यहां पे चाहो तो ऐसा डैश मार के लिखो उसके पास में. strategy will be effective when all the components of the value chain are working well. Sir, third step, fourth, you have to implement and execute the strategy. And managing a strategy is a Saturday, Sunday affair, or it's an ongoing task? Sure? And it goes as per the plan, or you need to make correction and adjustments? Sure? It's an operations oriented activity aimed at shaping the performance of core business in a strategy supportive manner. And at the time of implementation, what should you remember? Whatever we planned, the same is happening or not. Correct? So remember, whatever you thought on day one before entering chartered accountancy, in May exams when you go, you should recall yourself, what I thought for myself, am I doing that or not? Then only the performances will be achieved. Yes, sir? Yes, sir. And you need people like us in the academy to monitor the developments, evaluate the performance and make corrective adjustments. No sir, आप एक बार पढ़ा दो, बाद में हम निपट लेंगे. Great. चलिए. Here the SM process comes to the end. Now, when we go further, there were something called generic strategies. Generic strategic alternatives. These were given by whom? Michael Porter? No sir, आप बार-बार फंसाते हो इसमें. It was given by Gloek and George. Hello? Correct? Given by Gloek and George. Sir, 4 aspects are given: stability, expansion, retrenchment, and stability stands for keep doing what you have been doing so far. Sir, does that mean business is in losses? Does that mean it's a do nothing strategy? Or is it incremental improvement of functional performance? हाँ यही वाला जो आपने बोला था. Incremental improvement of functional performance. चाहिए तो लिख के रखने का बेटा इधर. Incremental improvement of functional performance. And sir, then we spoke about expansion. Expansion is adding to the scope of business and increasing the area of thinking. Expansion may attract new products, new market, new technology, new customers. And expansion has 2 categories, if you remember. Please ध्यान देना, इधर स्क्रीन पे अपेयर होएगा. Expansion leads to diversification, acquisition and merger, और diversification के अंदर concentric and conglomerate. कहाँ गया वही बोला. Concentric conglomerate, और इसमें अपन आगे जाके 2 और पढ़ने वाले हैं इसमें. एक तो वर्टिकल और दूसरा हॉरिजॉन्टल. अच्छा, मेरे को एक चीज समझाओ. थ्रू एक्विजिशन एंड मर्जर, एक्विजिशन इज इनऑर्गेनिक वे. व्हाट कैन आई डू? कैन आई डू कॉन्सेंट्रिक डाइवर्सिफिकेशन? कैन आई डू कॉन्ग्लोमरेट और बोथ? इज इट प्रीटी क्लियर इन योर माइंड? Through acquisition and merger, you can do concentric as well as conglomerate diversification, and as well as horizontal integrated diversification, and as well as forward backward integration. याद रखना, acquisition and merger is one of the way to grow. It can be any of the types. चाहिए तो ऐसा asterisk लगा कर लिखना. Mergers, acquisitions के through we can achieve any kind of diversification inorganically. I repeat, through mergers and acquisitions, we can achieve any kind of diversification inorganically. Through mergers and acquisitions, we can achieve any kind of diversification inorganically. मिला बेटा? नेक्स्ट वन सर, रिट्रेंचमेंट. रिट्रेंचमेंट काटना, छांटना, कम कर देना, रिड्यूस द साइज, कम डाउन इन द टर्म्स ऑफ एक्टिविटी लेवल. Sir, does retrenchment means business is closing? Sir, day one you will cut down your extra expenditure, stage one. Stage two you will go to cost cutting. Stage three you will discontinue certain products, brands or withdraw from some markets. Stage four, sir, I will withdraw from certain businesses itself. And stage five is my corporate death, liquidation, which I may say. देखिए, organizations may sometimes do away with closing a business line or leaving a particular market. It may be necessary to deal with a hostile, unfriendly or adverse situation. It is not any bad idea to reduce the adverse situation by closing a business line or stopping the production of a product. यहां पर दो पॉइंट्स मैं बोलता हूं, यहां हाईलाइट करके रखो, मैं उसको अभी आगे लूंगा. दो वर्ड रोके हुए थे मैंने, डाउन साइजिंग एंड टर्न अराउंड. Two concepts, asterisks में, two concepts, downsizing and turnaround, to be studied separately. Two concepts, downsizing and turnaround, to be studied separately. That I will take. Sir, combination strategies. There is no hard and fast rule that one strategy can be applied at a time. Sir, combination में क्या होता है? Somewhere you will apply stability, somewhere expansion, somewhere retrenchment, somewhere mix of all. So combination is is mix of all the three: stability, expansion, and retrenchment. Sir, then we moved ahead to Porter generic strategic alternatives. अब ध्यान से सुनना. स्टेबिलिटी, एक्सपेंशन, रिट्रेंचमेंट कॉम्बिनेशन कौन से लेवल की चीज है? ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल या बिजनेस लेवल? स्टेबिलिटी, एक्सपेंशन, रिट्रेंचमेंट एंड कॉम्बिनेशन. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या बिजनेस लेवल? ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल लेवल. और बिजनेस लेवल पे मैंने बोला था, इफ यू आर परस्यूइंग स्टेबिलिटी, दैट पार्ले इज मेकिंग बिस्किट्स ओनली. Within biscuits, it can have a cost leader. Within biscuits, it can have a differentiator. And within biscuits, it can have a focus. तो ये कौन से लेवल पर काम आएंगे? Put a star and write somewhere. These strategies will be applicable at business level. और आपको दो सवाल इन तीनों स्ट्रेटेजीज के बारे में आना चाहिए. When to pursue them, मतलब तीनों के बारे में. When to pursue cost leadership, when to pursue differentiation, and when to pursue focus, and how to achieve cost leadership, how to achieve differentiation, and how to achieve focus. बोलूं क्या वापस से? When to achieve these three and how to achieve these three. When to achieve these three and how to achieve these three. और ये लाइन अपने दिमाग को शांति देने के लिए लिख के रखो, चाहिए तो, जरूरत तो नहीं पड़ेगी. Single company can have all the three strategies working in the same company. A single company can have all the three strategies working in the same company with different brands. With different brands. See, a Parle-G can be a cost leader, but you can't have a Parle-G differentiator also. But you can have under the brand Parle, you can have a Parle-G as cost leader, hide and seek as differentiator, and Milano as focus. That is what I am trying to say. Done? एक और बहुत काम का चार्ट अगली स्लाइड पर है जो आपको पढ़ने में बहुत जल्दी जल्दी मदद करेगा. स्टेबिलिटी, एक्सपेंशन, रिट्रेंचमेंट, कॉम्बिनेशन. इधर इधर सर, ये चार थे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल या बिजनेस लेवल? मेरे हिसाब से आप है ना गलतियां ना करो, इसको सबको ऐसा कवर करो, ऐसा गोला मारो और लिखो, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल लेवल पे काम आता है। हो गया? सर, we'll do a small understanding and small SM asan in this. Fatafat. Leave away your pen pencil. What is this? Sir, vertical. Vertical mein this one is? Sir, backward integration happens when you try to start working on the raw material which you are purchasing from outside. और या यूं कहूं, in your product process chain, your previous step you start performing on your own, that is called backward integration. And when you start performing the next step on your own, that is forward integration. So backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, vertical integration. Sir, when I am trying to operate at the same product process marketing chain, hello, I don't start on my own, I acquire that. Important thing to note, horizontal always go by inorganic way. नहीं तो मैंने बोला था क्लास में कंफ्यूजन आ जाएगा, हॉरिजॉन्टल और कॉन्सेंट्रिक में झगड़ा इसी बात पर है. हेलो, हॉरिजॉन्टल विल ऑलवेज बी इनऑर्गेनिक. तो हॉरिजॉन्टल इज लाइक दिस, working on the same product process marketing chain, getting into competitors product, byproduct or complementary products. Yes or no? Sir, that was horizontal. Sir, concentric diversification, when you try to keep doing what you have been doing so far and from the same base you are generating new stuff. That means the nucleus is the same. So what do you do? Like this. Concentric diversification. And when you go for a new product, new customer, new technology, new market, no previous experience, it becomes conglomerate diversification. So nothing is related. I gather things from different parts. तो अभी याद रहेगा? Vertical, horizontal, concentric, conglomerate. बोलो साहब, clear? सर, दिस डायग्राम, इसमें एक गलती है, मैं बता देता हूं आपको. Your repair and servicing should be here. Forward integration. Correct the mistake. Repair and servicing should be here. Forward integration. Repair and servicing should be forward integration, and financing is at horizontal level in an organization. It's not a backward integration. तो ये फाइनेंसिंग शुड कम हियर. बेटा फाइनेंसिंग शुड कम हियर at the horizontal level, and repair and servicing should go in forward integration. If Maruti Udyog Limited opens up its own service center, Amul opening up Amul Savera, its own ice cream parlor, that's forward integration. Bolo sahab, clear? Functional strategies. Sir, in functional strategy, what we understood? Functional strategies are long run या short run oriented? Very generic or specific? Specific, because they are used from monitoring the operations of the organization. And these functional strategies are made out of business strategies. Hello? And every function should be in line with the corporate and business strategy. ये line मैंने बोला था common line है. HR strategy should be in line with corporate business. Finance strategy should be in line with corporate business. Marketing and HR, similar types. Yes or no, beta? Relatively short term, each functional area, short time horizon, greater specificity, primary involvement of operating managers. And the major functional strategies will be on 4 aspects, beta: production, finance, marketing, HR. Marketing में few things which you understood. If you remember, sir, companies cannot satisfy all customers. They must divide the total market segment, choose the best segment and design strategy for profitability, serving those segments. मैंने आपको 3 वर्ड बोले थे, STP, segmentation, target and positioning. Select your target market, place your product accordingly, and then position yourself. Segment, target, positioning. And 12th class के knowledge को थोड़ा सा आगे लाते हुए, there were 4 P's of marketing which we have learned. So now 4P plus 4C becomes the new marketing mix. Sir, why this 4C? Sir, 4C is primarily due to service sector, sir. Hello? याद आया? Sir, P stands for product, C stands for consumer. P stands for place, वहां पे it stands for convenience. यहाँ पे it stands for price, there it stands for cost. It stands for promotion, it stands for communication. 4P plus 4C is equals to new marketing mix. बोलो साहब, clear? एक चीज में जो नहीं करा इसमें, याद रखना, वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग, वो वन लाइन डेफिनेशंस हैं. सोशल मार्केटिंग, ऑगमेंटेड मार्केटिंग, रिलेशनशिप मार्केटिंग, प्लेस मार्केटिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मार्केटिंग, पर्सन मार्केटिंग. कुछ याद आ रहा है? प्लीज रिवीजन में उसको इग्नोर नहीं करना. जो बच्चा डीवीडी देख रहा है उसको भी बोल रहा हूं, आप अपने स्टडी मटेरियल में निकाल कर वो 14 प्रकार की मार्केटिंग जरूर पढ़िएगा. 1 मार्क 2 मार्क क्वेश्चंस कंटिन्यूसली अपेयर आउट ऑफ दैट. द न्यू मार्केटिंग मिक्स. ठीक है, लेट्स कम टू मैं यही देखना चाहता था फोकस कहां है तुम्हारा. And if guys are too much keen on Akshay Kumar, I have concerns. Had it been a Katrina Kaif and you are interested, I understand, but देखा, अब आ गए अपने आप पढ़ाओ. Okay, this is one of the easiest topic I understand because FM is done so detailed. Sir, 4 functions of financial strategy: acquire capital, sir, deciding between debt, equity. क्लास में डिस्कशन मैंने करा था, मैं भी फिर याद दिला दूं. Equity is preferred when the cash flows are uncertain. Debt is preferred to borrow when the cash flows are certain, so that your interest payout is easier. Sir, then developing projected financial statements and budgets. Important point to remember, budgets are an instrument of controlling the activities. Budgets should not become the main activity. They should not be used as an instrument of tyranny and domination. Sir, क्या बोल रहे हो? फिर से सुनो. Budgeting exercise is one of the way to control the expenses. But the budgeting exercise should not become a way of taking revenge from your juniors. You want me to repeat it once more? Budget exercise is meant for controlling the expenses budget exercise should not be used. Budget exercise should not be used as means of taking a revenge from juniors or co-workers. Sir, third one was management and usage of funds. You should use the funds in such a way that your payback period should be adequate and should be timely. Sir, evaluating the worth of business. ध्यान रखना, examiner has been quite excited about point 4. Evaluating the worth of business, there are 4 options. Net worth method, total asset minus outside liabilities. On the basis of annual profits, so annual profits into 5 years, assuming a 20% rate of return. तीसरा था वो EPS method, market price, और last one था outstanding shares method, closing price into number of shares issued. Please remember, पता नहीं क्यों उन्होंने 3-4 बार पूछा इस चीज को. It's a very simple cash question. 4 formulas and 4 marks you will get. Please remember, worth of business. और examiner comments में बार बार आया है, स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट एबल टू अटेम्प्ट दिस. अरे पूरा एफएम का पेपर अटेम्प्ट कर रहा है बच्चा, उसको सिर्फ ये नाम से याद नहीं रहता कि इवैल्यूएटिंग द वर्थ ऑफ बिजनेस में मुझे मात्र 4 फॉर्मूले लिख के आने. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट. ठीक है, थोड़ा ध्यान देना उस चीज पे. इफ मे पॉप अप, जस्ट इनकैश दैट क्वेश्चन फास्ट एज यू कैन इन एग्जाम. फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेटेजी, प्रोडक्शन स्ट्रेटेजी. सर इन प्रोडक्शन स्ट्रेटेजी वी अंडरस्टूड 4 एस्पेक्ट्स. प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम, सर द लोकेशन, availability of raw material, tax benefits, infrastructure, all these things which are thought about developing a plant or setting up a factory in a particular area, that leads to production system. सर कितना ऑटोमेटेड रखेंगे? जितना तुम्हारा प्लांट शहर के पास में ना, उतना ज्यादा ऑटोमेट करो. बिकॉज you get a world class plant in interior area, talented people don't come and work there itself. Inverse relationship between the nearness to city एंड ऑटोमेशन. जितना सिटी के नियर होगा उतना ऑटोमेट करो, जितना दूर है उतना ऑटोमेशन कम रखो. सर ऑपरेशंस प्लानिंग एंड कंट्रोल, यू नीड टू रिमेंबर, मैंने पूरा वो चार्ट बोला था कि राइट फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्ट सेल टू फीडबैक टू प्लानिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, रॉ मटेरियल, फाइनेंस, everything should be coordinated in such a way that things go properly step by step every time. Otherwise you land up in trouble. Sir, for that we understood logistics. Logistics means a process which integrates the flow into, within and outside the organization to ensure that the right material reaches at the right place, right time, right quality, right price. Hello? मैं price बोल देता हूं, sorry उसको, cost. 5 R's. आप वो टिक आपको याद है? You just do one tick here ना, ऐसा टिक लगा दो. Apply one tick, so immediately right material, right place, right time, right quality, right cost. Sir, production strategy formulation के अंदर research and development था. Research is needed only for making new products or improving old products? हाँ? कि both? As well as you want to adapt to local processes, change your taste and preferences. So research and development is not only done in chemistry labs or bio labs. It is a beyond that concept. Hello? Cut off these 3 words. These have erroneously appeared here. Lead from the front, follow the leader and low cost producer. Please cancel this. ये गलत हो गया है यहाँ पे. हाँ, तीनों को कट कर दीजिए. ठीक है? Okay. Sir, HR strategy, traditional HR versus modern HR. Main work of HR was acquire, develop, reward and maintain an organization's workforce. The biggest challenge in implementing the strategy is that jobs are fixed and people are. ये लाइन काम की है बहुत, और इस पे मैंने बोला आपको अच्छे से क्वालिटेटिव क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. The real challenge of HR is to handle these highs and lows which a person goes through. Because the same job I am doing for so many years, so I need a bit of dynamism, I need a bit of help on all this, otherwise it won't work for me. देखिए, इसके अंदर I stress upon the HR strategic role. So that is the next slide. Providing purposeful direction. It's nothing but that the overall topic का headers हैं ये सारे के सारे. Provides purposeful direction, creates a competitive atmosphere. Sir, what does this direction means? What I want and what the company wants should match. Will help. Creating competitive atmosphere. If I am a cost leader, I will save cost. If I am a differentiator, I will allow to experiment. If I am a focused person, I will ask them to work on small numbers. So you have to create that kind of atmosphere. Facilitation of change. Sir, facilitation of change, any new product, new technology, new training, transfer, you should help your employees. They should not feel left out. Third, diversity. Print mistake hai. I'm sorry for the spelling error. Diversion nahi, diversity of workforce. Please correct it. It's diversity. सर डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ वर्कफोर्स वेयर इसको सिर्फ कनेक्ट करना हो तो याद दिला देता हूं. चैप्टर 1 एथनिक मिक्स, डेमोग्राफी, एथनिक मिक्स, various caste, creed, religion, aspects of people coming together and I want to manage a workforce like that. And diversity में एक और चीज आती है, youngster to old age person, all of them together. Diversity of workforce. Empowerment of human resources. Empowerment word का मतलब होता है giving authority along with responsibility. Empowerment is another word for giving authority along with responsibility. Sir, building core competency. Core competency is one word which is coming in next slides also. One special capability which you have and others don't have. Correct? And development of work ethics and culture. You need to give a kind of strategy, supportive atmosphere. Allow them to grow. Give them good rewards. Recognize their work. Unless people will not join you. Sir, this was chapter 5. Chapter 6 का image बड़ा relevant है. I appreciate this image a lot. This is actually implementation. Whatever you thought, unless it's rolled into action, it's of no use. So the first thing, success is a combination of two things, formulation and implementation. Good thought plus good action will create a successful relationship. ये पहला वाला sentence can come up as a true false. Pay attention on this. There is no such thing as a successful strategic design per se. Sir, what does that mean? There is no specific design कि इसी से success achieve होने वाला है. Often people blame the strategy, whereas the flaw might lie in implementation. अर्थात हमने गलत काम किया, आपने काम गलत नहीं किया है, आपने उस काम को implement गलत तरीके से किया है. तो वो बोलता है the function relationship between this in a function success is a function of good formulation and proper implementation. एक ये डायग्राम आपके स्टडी मटेरियल में इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है and I appreciate this diagram because it combines 3 chapters. This is strategic analysis chapter 3. Please pay attention on the screen. Strategic analysis chapter 3. Implementation chapter 6, strategic choices 2nd and 4th. Correct? Analysis में आपको environment समझा दिया उसने, expectation and resource competencies and capabilities. Implementation में your organization structure, sir, matrix, network, SBU, divisional, functional, resource allocation and control, breakdown of strategy, implementation task, managing change, strategy support and culture relationship, culture strategy conflict. Sir, evaluation and selection, strategic planning के अंदर whether should I go for stability, expansion, retrenchment, combination, brand wise, cost leadership, differentiation, focus, strategic options and basic of strategy choice. ये एक बहुत रेलेवेंट डायग्राम है. आई वुड सजेस्ट यू शुड लेबल इट. चैप्टर 3, चैप्टर 6, चैप्टर 2 and 4. क्या है बेटा? ओके. Another diagram which I really liked, just to give you a better understanding. थोड़ा सा visibility है इसकी. टेक्स्ट तो दिख रहा है प्रॉपर. टेक्स्ट इज प्रॉपर ना. Leave aside the bubble and the color combination. Are you able to see the text? If you are not able to see the text, go do an eye checkup. Okay? Otherwise, it's clear. Just appreciate. मतलब ये दूसरे तरीके से एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है उसको. जस्ट देखिए इसको स्क्रीन पे. सर एक्सटर्नल एनवायरमेंट एक कॉर्नर में लिखा है. बच्चों प्लीज पे अटेंशन ऑन द स्क्रीन. एक्सटर्नल एनवायरमेंट एक तरफ है और एक्सट्रीमली दूसरी तरफ है इंटरनल एनवायरमेंट. नाउ अप्रिशिएट. एक्सटर्नल एनवायरमेंट इज गोइंग टू इंपैक्ट द कल्चर एंड कम्युनिकेशन द मोस्ट. बाहर क्या चल रहा है, दूसरे क्या कर रहे हैं, एड क्या हो रही है, कंप्यूटर क्या बोल रहा है. योर सक्सेस, परफॉर्मेंस, योर लीडरशिप एंड टीम वर्क, ये तीन चीजें एक्सटर्नल एनवायरमेंट ड्रिवन होती हैं या इन्फ्लुएंस्ड होती हैं. और इस तरफ आइए. योर कोर वैल्यूज, योर एफिशिएंसी, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड योर कैपेबिलिटीज एंड कोर कॉम्पिटेंसीज आर इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ योर internal environment. मतलब internal environment gets framed by this, external environment gets influenced by this, and then you have combined situations also. What kind of information systems you build. I just brought this diagram on the PPT to give that overview कि हाँ ये overall internal external के बीच में ही है सब, but वो होता किस तरह से है. So then we move to formulation implementation matrix. Good formulation, good implementation. The best box is B. The worst box is C. Sir, the only issue is which one should I pick out of A and D? Sir, A is discussed as a good option out of A and D because the thought is good. So you can change your implementation style. But if your thought is bad, your good implementation will also not let you survive for long. Formulation implementation matrix. Now formulation was getting connected to efficiency, implementation was getting connected to effectiveness. Sorry, ulta bol diya maine. Sorry, I said the wrong way. Formulation, effectiveness, implementation, efficiency. Coming to the next one is this. सर while efficiency is essentially introspective, thoughtful. अब मैंने क्लास में स्पेसिफाई किया हुआ, फिर याद दिला रहा हूं. Being thoughtful does not mean you are capable to connect to the external environment. Being thoughtful means it's your own capability that whatever work is given I will do. So do not confuse thoughtfulness with effectiveness. Effectiveness highlights the links between the organization and its environment. ये सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है. I told you, deciding that I will make small packs because Indian population cannot spend too much money at one shot. I will make small packs. Thinking this is effectiveness. Coming back to the factory and asking your person not to pack a bigger pack but make a small pack and motivating him कि small packing is good. Efficiency. Hello. Efficiency is at operational level and effectiveness is at the top and the middle level. Sir, responsibility for efficiency lies with operational level and effectiveness lies with the strategic orientation of the organization. Are you able to clearly understand this now? Thrive means सबसे best option. I will die slowly because my thought is okay but my implementation is bad. Correct? Here I will survive. Here I will die quickly. So please make sure. इधर कौन सा बॉक्स सबसे बेस्ट है? 1. और ये भी अच्छा नहीं है 4. Now tell me between 2 and 3. 3. Correct? Good. Another examiner favorite slide. Formulation versus implementation. Keywords to be caught out of this. Positioning forces before the action. Managing forces during the action. Effectiveness, efficiency. Intellectual process, operational process. Good intuitive and analytical skills, motivation and leadership skills. इसमें फॉर्मुलेशन में प्रिंट मिस्टेक है या सुधार लेना है इसको. फॉर्मुलेशन में रिक्वायर्स कोऑपरेशन और यहां पे रिक्वायर्स कोऑर्डिनेशन. आई रिपीट, प्लीज करेक्ट इट, देयर इज अ प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक. Strategy formulation, last point, it requires cooperation among few individuals. Implementation, coordination. Hello? Sir, organizational structure. Functional and divisional. All these five. Sir, ये five कैसे हो गए? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are traditional, 3 are modern. Hello? Traditional का सबसे main issue क्या था? It lacks what? Sir, why did we go to modern structures? Sir, nobody was taking the responsibility and accountability that who is going to take care of the overall benefit of the organization. Every department was doing its own work. So therefore, they moved to modern structures. Modern structures, the biggest one was SBU. Common vision, separate mission, separate objective, separate competitors, separate planning, but still under the same umbrella of the organization, that is a strategic business unit. Hello? Sir, there is any legal complication or legal obligation कि SBU is product wise only, brand wise only, or you can have SBUs geographic also. So it's purely the flexibility of the management, how they want to decide SBUs. So don't ask me which is the best SBU structure. It is suitable to the needs of organization. Correct? Sir, the best part of SBU is I will try to see how much investment has been given to SBU, how much that SBU is going to earn money. So the ROI will be there, so that I will decide this SBU is my cash cow, my star, my dog, or question mark. Should I put money? Should I sell it off? Should I harvest it? Whatever is to be done can be done through this SBU structure. You can fix responsibility. You can fix accountability. You can track how much this person is performing. Hello? Matrix. मैंने इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा लिखा है. The only reason being a bit complicated and sometimes students get to like tendency, अरे ठीक है अब इतना तो पढ़ लिया. आप थक गए हो does not mean इंस्टीट्यूट पेपर 7 भी पूछते टाइम थक रहा है. ये समझना, ये बहुत बड़ा साइकोलॉजिकल गेम है. द इमोशन इज रियली हाई ऑन द लास्ट पेपर. आई ऑलवेज कंसिडर अकाउंट्स पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 7 एज अ रिस्की पेपर. पेपर 1 you are too much nervous. By paper 7 you are too much exhausted. So it's always tough to bat as a tail ender and as well as an opening batsman, because bowler is also at full flow. But last paper, last segment, last 3 questions, हमको लगता है वो तो खत्म हुआ. Remember that should not happen. Sir, when do you want a matrix structure? Sir, a matrix structure works when you have scarce resources. Ideas need to be cross-fertilized, and neither functional nor divisional nor SBU structure is helping you. You want a mix of all together, then only you create a matrix structure. देखो लिखा है, when organizations are neither functional nor divisional, even when combined with horizontal mechanism like SBU are right, they combine together under 2 categories, a project manager and a functional manager. The home department at the back. Oh madam, यहां तक आवाज आ रही है? The home department is engineering, manufacturing or sales, and usually functional and reasonably permanent. What happens is Now, when you develop that matrix, it goes into 3 stages. First of all, you create a team of functional experts, a cross-functional task force. Now, the project manager will try to create a structure, new structure, which will become a separate entity after few days. In other words, ट्रायल बैलेंस का एक छोटा सा कैपिटल वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस बाद में बड़ा होके पूरा का पूरा ट्रायल बैलेंस बनेगा. A small capital work in progress in trial balance will become a independent trial balance after some time. Hello. So what happens is you create a cross functional task force. प्रोडक्शन, फाइनेंस, मार्केटिंग, एचआर के सारे बंदे जाकर एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करते हैं, नया प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो द प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर आस्क्स देम टू वर्क ऑन बोथ द साइड्स, रेगुलर वर्क, प्रोजेक्ट वर्क, रेगुलर वर्क, प्रोजेक्ट वर्क. बट आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन द बिगर प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट्स, मतलब द प्रोजेक्ट एक्वायर्स अ बिगर साइज, देन दे हैव टू डेवलप देयर ओन capabilities. Hello. And in that case, a mature matrix and a dual layer structure gets established. शॉर्ट नोट्स में बड़ा फेवरेट है इंस्टीट्यूट का. डैश मांग शॉर्ट नोट. सर मॉडर्न स्ट्रक्चर्स, नेटवर्क. इन नेटवर्क स्ट्रक्चर डू यू ओन एनीथिंग और you try to get everything done by outsourcing? Sir, I try to create a network of various service providers which are not seniors or juniors, but it's a non-hierarchical cobweb of various service providers coming together. And I am acting as a broker, electronically connected through most of them. Hello? Sir, this is suitable. Sir, this is suitable when the environment is very unstable and you don't see the demand of these products going beyond a certain time. So they do not justify that you should put up a separate plant, your own plant or your own factory for all this. Hello? Sir, the only risk you have, अगर आप इस network का part हो, so the only risk you have if the product fails, your industry may fail. If you are one of the components of this network structure. Most suitable when the environment is unstable and requires innovation and quick response. Rather than having a salaried employee, people are contracted for specific project or an assignment. एक word बोल देता हूं, in employment, you are employed when you are issued an employment letter. Nowadays companies put you up on retainership basis. Sir, retainership basis is another sophisticated glorified word for contract worker. You will not get your PF benefits, you will not get your gratuity, you will not get your bonus if you are on a retainership basis. And retainership basis will confirm you, we don't know. इसको गवर्नमेंट भाषा में बोलते हैं आप संविदा कर्मचारी हो, कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल वर्कर्स हो. संविदा, आप परमानेंट और स्थायी कर्मचारी नहीं हो. ये कैच होता है. So here you will use all those kind of people only. Job done, go home. But here you will not be paid salary when you are not working. So it's a risky option.